Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get HD admin on Roblox mobile. So first, you have to go to your starting place, which everyone have. There's a portal right there, but anyways, beside that, you should be able to go into your game because everyone has one. Once you get there, go to your settings, and from down here, you want to go ahead and go all the way down to the developer console. Open that up and go to the logs. Just press it and then it should show client. Go ahead and click on that and change it over to the server. Now you're going to go to the command line here and you want to go ahead and type this in, which will also be provided in the description below. Now it's going to say require ID and then it's going to say PLS, and then you want to go ahead and put in your actual Roblox username, not the display name but your username. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter this, and now it's processing it and loading it into your game. As you can see, the application has been installed for the game. Now this only works on your game, by the way. It does not work on any random Roblox game. It has to be your game. Now the passphrase is going to be like this. I don't know why they choose this, but because it just seems like you're a hacker, but that also be the name and description below. You guys go and just copy the passphrase. Now once again, in here there's a lot of different things you can use. You can use like this random weapons, or morph yourself into John Doe, stuff like that, and you should be able to find HD admin installer. There also is this admin and this admin, so you get all the admin commands that you want. You can add any of them into the game, but as you can see, I just got HD admin. I'm the owner, so as you can see, this game did not have HD admin before, which is really powerful application. I'm really surprised that this actually works. Now I'm going to go ahead and just use on the commands like this. The commands button, CMDS, which pulls up the list of commands that you can use in your game. You can have a lot of fun with this, and like I said, the application has a lot other stuff as well, but make sure to be careful with this application because you could get banned if you use it for inappropriate things like chat bypass thing and you try to swear and stuff. That could get you banned maybe, but like I said, just be careful. I would just use this for like stuff you already know that's allowed to be used on Roblox. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.